Hi, today I'm going to say the specs about the character in Free Fire. So let's get started. So first A124. So what's the power of her is quickly convert 50 EP into HP. So if we eat mushrooms, we will get HP. So this is the power of her. This character looks cool, right? This is the power of A124. Actually, it's very useful. It's nearly up to Alok. So the next character is Kla. Everyone knows about him. Uh, he's a specialist at martial arts. So it's fist damage increase to 50%. I'm at level 4. The max level is level 6. So when we upgrade, my so when I punch, it will go for 340. Yeah. So 3 new characters came out. I don't know properly uh, what's their specs. So let me go with Chrono. So of course everyone know him in real life. He is Chrono means CR7, as you can see. CR7. What is his power? Power is they have a button. So if you press that, the shield will appear. From outside, when you shoot, from outside, if someone shoots you, if you on that specs, you won't get a damage at all. So, but we can shoot now. So it's the power of him. The next is Kelly character. Kelly, she can run fast. Hayato, shield, K. So K, similar to Alok, but Alok will be Alok's power is at for a limited time, but it will be full. If you have EP, you can win every single Clash Squad gameplays. Uh, the next is the next is Ulfra. Um, Ulfra. If someone spectact you in match, you will obtain the HP. Kapila. So it will increase effect in increase effect in West. For example, if you have level 1 West, if you use her power, it will increase its power by 10%. So you can upgrade them. So it's her power. Jay. Everyone know about him. He is HRX Hrithik Roshan. What is his power was when he knock up on our opponent, automatically it will reload the bullets. So that's his power. So if you have a armor like some like vest, it will increase, it will restore 10 armor durability after every kill. Okay, so that's her power. Sorry about I was misunderstanding that this Capilla power was is to healing items like our skills and some other. So that's her power. And she creates some kind of graphite. It will reduce bomb damage by 15%. So that's her power. Alok, one of the popular among everyone. As you can know his power, he has a limited time of the DJ power. It will restore his 5 HP per second. So that's his power. Alvora, of course everyone know about him. He has explosion damage. So if you throw a bomb at a person, it will increase his horror damage. So it's Jota. It will instantly restore 25 HP. If it will instantly restore 25 HP if you get shot from a SMG or a shotgun. That's his power. Liquita. So his every kill increases HP. That's his power. Joseph. So his it will while he is moving or sprinting, he will increase in 10% of movement speed. That's his power. Laura, accuracy. The aiming is good for her. It will increase 10% accuracy while in a game or in a match. So Rafael. So gunshots hidden on the map for 8 seconds. What's his power is when an enemy shoots, we can see like a marks, right? That will be hidden for 8 seconds. That's his power. So Moko. So she will tag enemies shots for 2 seconds. That's her power. Carolyn, when she is holding a shotgun, her movement speed will increase by 3%. That's her power. Wukong, he will turn into grass. That's his power. So thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe. Bye.